Guys, I meet a titan when I was playing this game. It's a chaotic thing. But just look at it. I just rebirth and Ghost already attacking me. Ah! Why did you get goaded? So I decided to come and upgrade the base. I just upgrade the base. So this time I'm the careful. Good. Kill those guys. Get the horses. There, guys. We're killing a bunch of them, but I am the best. Because I do have my ultimate power job. But actually just did this. There was ultimate power that I can't kill. Especially I just killed it. Thanks by the Lord of you, I'm now gonna kill you. That is actually pretty frustrating. But at least I'm so ready. These are the So I came up ready now. Hello, Berta. And I came out again. That's ultimate ready after. Are you the owner of skill upgrade? Wait. Sasabihin lang ako kay King King. I guess. Because I am going to leave. Don't act so. Don't act so. Bye. And pwede yun, Mamela?
Ano?
Pwede ako mag-gigil?
Magigil.
Kailawo? Ay, may patay sa dagat.
Ano daw? Ikaw, huwag kang pupunta sa dagat. Tabi dyan.
Ay, bakit pumunta tayo sa tanay?
Bakit meron bang dagat sa tanay? Dagat sa tanay.
I mean, sa Tagaytay.
Kung may dagat sa Tagaytay.
Hindi yan. Makinig ka, makinig ka.
Aray ko.
Pagaray ko din.
Hindi yan yung una. Pampasikip eh. Balik mo yan, Dan. Bawas kasi ito. Bawas kasi ito.
Si Madi wala naman.
May anong oras na oh. Andiyan ang barangay Ubayot ni Paz. Malapit nyo yung asin. Pulutin yung dalawa yan. Okay. Okay. Isog mo nga inay. Natapig yung asin. Wala na, Earl? Nga, nagpapadunan. Nga, nagpapadunan unan. Bilisan mo.
Throw it to the wall.
Okay.
There's something to the wall.
Bilisan mo!
Meron pang isa pang unan.
Yan ang hinahanap ko. Isa lang yan.
Yeah. At saka yung mga iba blue na.
Give me.
At saka mga
Ay,
toy.
huwag na yung blue at hindi yun yung pinupuntahan. Dili ka makabalo.
Pinatagalan din, matututo ka ng Bisaya talaga.
Yung una namin tinapon. Thank you.
Makarating ka man ng Cebu, marunong ka ng magbisaya.
Dili ka makabalo.
Ano yun ta?
Ah, mali.
Ano?
Hindi daw makabangon.
Anong hindi makabangon?
Hindi ka makabalo.
Hindi ka balo?
Oo.
Hindi marunong.
Hindi ka daw makabangon. Sabi.
Anong hindi makabangon?
Sabi nung dalawa.
Ang hindi makabangon, hindi ka makatayo. Ang hindi ka makabalo, hindi ka marunong.
Hindi ka marunong. Sabi nung, di ba sabi nung bata tayo, dili ka makabalo. Yung mga bata doon sa Cebu. Dili daw siya makabalo ng Cebu. Kanan, hindi siya makaintindi. Kaka na isa yan. Dili ka makabalo? Ha?
Hindi na ako
Hindi ka matututo ng Tagalog, Jide. Sa Bisaya ka.
Makabalo. Tagalog, Cebu, Bisaya. Hindi ka makabalo.
Yan na.
Oh. Hello, Kane.
Rainbow Coffee's right. It's getting late. We've got to find that third balloon.
Kane! I joined you.
What are these?
Actually, I just said bye-bye.
Pwede bang sa Thursday na lang ako maglaro?
Oh, okay.
Kasi may pasok sa kasi sa Thursday wala ako.
Okay.
Ano mo, here's a fun. Bye.
Bye.
But I don't have one
You.
or you will have a dragon. dragon.
Okay. I did almost
If you have
got.
a titan or tyrant,
I rebirth.
buy it.
I just like rebirth.
Can I see your tablet? I mean, can I see your camera?
Okay. What?
Which animal
Yun, Mamela. Hello, Mamela. Sabi, can I see you?
I want to see.
The squirrel.
Hi, Ken Ken!
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good po.
Where's your mama? Ha?
I'm good po. Good.
Oh. How's your school?
Hello, kaya to i-carry by myself.
Nawala na yung
Which animal has the right tree?
Ano mo, how's your school?
Seahorse.
Okay, so.
JT, can I see on your camera at Roblox?
I actually left. Actually, I watched a movie and I started acting. I started turning my avatar into something else.
To a mate in
That's why.
Gracias.
Just wait. Come on. Entire screen, I guess.
What?
Yeah, I'm here.